This is our 1975 Bronco. It has the Coyote V8 motor in it, so brand new engine, but it is a Resto mod, so it is the classic 1975 body style and frame, and then we kind of build it and customize it from there. So tons of different paint color options. You get to design the interior, pick out whatever leather you want, even down to the stitching. So it's a really fun vehicle to build and customize and get exactly what you want. Right now, turnaround time is actually 14 weeks, so you really can't even order a brand new vehicle, especially, from a lot of the dealerships.
Right.
In under, 2 years. It's taken 1 to 2 years to get the product. The brand new Broncos, it's taken them, I believe, 18 to 24 months. But we actually build these on an assembly line out of our plant in Pensacola, Florida. Everything's done in-house, so we're able to kind of move it through each stage of the process in about 14 weeks. So we like being able to offer it a little bit faster than the competition.
Yeah, it's very cool. I've seen your Instagram page, and I think the vehicles are beautiful. Another question: do you know when the Bronco EV, when you're going to introduce that?
Yeah, beginning of next year. We're currently working on several models. And we're actually rolling out K5 Blazers, F250s, Mustangs, and then we're making the electric Broncos as well.